of the topic cell. In later videos, I have covered the whole topic of the chapter cell. So we will be doing its worksheet, or you can say past papers. So first we have to read the question. At least you have to give 10 seconds at least for the question. The diagram shows a cross section through two guard cells of a leaf. We don't have to do anything with the guard cells. We just have to focus on the word leaf. So leaf, the word leaf indicates that it's the part of the plant. So it's a plant cell. Now this is saying which label structure is also found in an animal cell. If we focus on the animal cell as well as also, so what are the similarities in a plant cell and in an animal cell? What are the similarities? So in this diagram, this is nucleus, this is cell membrane. If you can see when I zoom in, that this part is cell membrane, and this part, the Z part, is cell wall, and this Y is chloroplast. So chloroplast, because we don't photosynthesize, we don't create energy, so Y will not be the answer. Cell wall, we don't have cell wall. Is your face like a box? No, not because of the cell wall. There is absence of cell wall in animal cell, so these two won't be the answers. Nucleus is present in animal cell. Cell membrane is present in animal cells, so A would be the answer. So at least 1 minute should be given to each MCQs. Now, first, the second question is the photomicrograph shows a structure of a type of an aquatic plant. So it's a type of an aquatic plant. If we zoom in, we can see what label structure indicates this is a plant cell. So what are the structures present only in plant cell? The chloroplast and the cell wall. So we just need to find the labelings of the cell wall and the chloroplast. This is chloroplast, S is chloroplast, and if we can see this, it's this gap, so it's the cell wall. Q. R is labeled cytoplasm, and cytoplasm is also present in bacteria and as well as animal cell, so this won't be the answer. P is nucleus. Nucleus is present also in animal cells, so P would not also be the answer. R won't be the answer, so Q as well as S would be the answer, as S represents chloroplast, and Q represents the cell wall. So D would be the answer. If we move on the third MCQ, which structures are found in animal cell? So what are the structures found in animal cells? Just do the rough work here. Mitochondria is present in animal cell, ribosomes are present in an animal cell, endoplasmic reticulum is present in animal cell, nucleus is present, centrioles are present, cytoplasm is present, cell wall is present, and cell wall isn't present, cell membrane is present, and what are isn't present? Chloroplast isn't present. So cell membrane, these two would be the answer. Cell wall, this would be the answer. So by this, if we just read these two statements, we can determine the answer, that is B. As cell membrane is present in the animal cell, cell wall isn't present, so it would be the no. If we see later on, no, chloroplast isn't present, because do you photosynthesize? We do respiration. We do aerobic and anaerobic respiration. We don't do photosynthesis. So chloroplast isn't present. Large vacuole isn't present. We have small numerous number of vacuoles. If we move on to cytoplasm is present, so it's a yes. Nucleus is present, so it's a yes. So this way, B would be the answer. If we move on further, we would have the similar question. It's a really answer. Just give 30 seconds at least to this question. Otherwise, 20 seconds for a average student is like good. The diagram shows a plant cell. It's a plant cell again. Which letter indicates the location of cell membrane? So if we zoom in, we have to zoom in for this picture. If we zoom in, we can see this is cell wall. A is cell wall. If we see this, this is cell membrane. If we see this, this is vacuole. This large centralized is vacuole, large permanent vacuole. These small, this should be the palisade cell, I think, or the spongy mesophyll cell. It it would be a spongy mesophyll cell or a palisade mesophyll cell. If we focus on further, this C will be then the chloroplast, and it asks us about cell wall, cell membrane. So this is cell membrane. We can see this spot, and this outer membrane is what? Cell wall. This inner membrane is cell membrane. So the D would be the answer then. If we move on further, this fifth question, which structure are possessed by all plant cell? As we know, chloroplast isn't present in all plant cells. Root cells, root hair cells, they don't have contact with the sunlight, so they don't have chloroplast. Stem is brown, they don't have chloroplast because they are not in green color. Newborn plants is of green color because they photosynthesize. The stems of a young plant do photosynthesize, but like a tree or a much grown up plant doesn't have a chloroplast in their stem cells as well as root cells. Root cells are brown, they don't have chloroplast, they have sap vacuole and they have nucleus, and they have small thread-like hair-like structure and a T-like extension. So if we say chloroplast isn't present in all, so the answer would be from this, from would be B or would be BD. Cell wall is present in all the plant cell. So by this, B would be the answer. Why? I would repeat myself, chloroplast is present in the leaf cells, in the flower cells, but it isn't present in the stem and the root cells. They are brown in color. Chloroplast cause green color. As roots are brown, so how could be chloroplast present in them? Cell wall is present in all the cells. They protect the cell from collapsing due to dehydration or whatsoever or any other diseases. If we see, this is another question. Heart muscle cells have a high rate of metabolism. So again, what is the meaning of metabolism? Metabolism is the process of creating energy. So what is it? Of creating energy. Metabolism, at this level, you don't need to memorize the meaning of metabolism. You will study this in the chapter of enzymes or later in the transport in man. But you don't have to know the meaning of metabolism at all at this stage. Just remember, it's metabolism is another name of energy. So high rate of energy, heart muscle cells have a high rate, at least 1.5 minutes should be given in this question. This means heart cells is creating high amount of metabolism. Which structure do they require to present in high numbers? What type of structure is necessary to maintain that high rate of creating of energy? I have a generator. I have 10 generators. They are creating so much energy, so much electricity. My house is there. I want the whole village to be light up. So I would buy 20 of those generators. So what are those generators? So what are creating energy? Which substance in animal cell? Heart. They are talking about animal cells because they are talking about heart. So what membrane of animal cells create energy? What membrane? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the membrane that creates energy in the animal cell, that does the breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen so energy can be produced. So B would be the answer. If we move on further on the seventh question, this is like a same question. The diagram shows two guard cells. Again, the guard cells, we don't have to see this guard cells, whatever cells they are, I don't care. It's a leaf. So a leaf is the part of a plant. So it's again a plant cell. Which labeled part would also found in sperm cell? Sperm cell, you just have to memorize that the sperm cell is an animal cell. That's it at your stage. It's an animal cell. So animal cells have mitochondria, nucleus, they have cytoplasm, they have cell membrane. But they are also saying the word also. They are not saying only present in sperm cell or the animal cell. They are saying also present. So nucleus is present in animal cell. Chloroplast is not present in animal cell. Vacuole, large permanent vacuole is not present. Small vacuoles are present. Animal cell is like this. They have small number of vacuoles, numerous like a 20s, 30s, 40s, but not a permanent large vacuole. This is cell wall. This all thing is this all structure, the empty space is cell wall. This all empty space is called, you should tell your friends that this all empty space in guard cells is the part of cell wall. You all tell your friends this thing. So D, cell wall is not present in animal cells. So A would be the answer, because all animal cells have a nucleus for cell division, for further functions of the cell. Is this clear? I hope so. If we move on this palisade mesophyll cell question, this is a much easier question. Huh. The diagram shows the structure of palisade cell from a leaf. Which structure contains chlorophyll? All right, first, it's a leaf cell. We don't care what type of cell it is. Palisade cell, spongy mesophyll cell, we don't care. Every cell has of the leaf has chloroplast. So it's a leaf means plant. So which structure of a plant contains chlorophyll? So if we see vacuole, what vacuole contains again? Vacuole contains cell sap. Vacuole contain cell sap. They don't contain chlorophyll. They only contain cell sap. What is cell sap? It's a watery fluid filled with minerals and waters. This is cell wall. Cell wall is does not contain chlorophyll. It is made of, cell wall is made of cellulose. Then we have nucleus. What nucleus have? What nucleus has? DNA and genes. So DNA does not have, it only controls the functions of the cell, like cell division, what substance should be entered. It orders the cell membrane, it orders the chloroplast to create energy, to trap sunlight. So nucleus does not have chlorophyll. If we focus on this structure, only structure that is left, that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is like this, but our CI standards give us shape like this. It doesn't matter. We can identify it easily because I told you in the video of specialized cell that all palisade mesophyll cells have a high abundance of chloroplast. So chloroplast, in if you remember my video, I told you chloroplast have a chlorophyll in them. It's a green pigment that traps sunlight and converts into chemical energy. I hope you all understand this. So if we see this question, so what would be the answer then? C would be the answer because C is chloroplast. And what's the purpose of chloroplast? To trap sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. What traps sunlight? The green pigment in them. Where is that green pigment present? Inside the chloroplast, inside the chlorophyll. That is chlorophyll. So if you understand my top, all the things, so chlorophyll is present in the C, which is chloroplast. Let's see if we focus on which row shows the structure on the outside of a plant cell and the location of the chloroplast in the cell. We would read the question again. Many of you wouldn't be understanding this. You should at least give this 1.5 minutes. Which row shows the structure on the outside of the plant cell and the location of the chloroplast in the cell? We don't understand anything, just leave it. We are just focusing on this outside word, location of chloroplast. These three words and what structure. It's saying which structure on the outside of the plant cell, which structure is present outside the cell, which structure is surrounding the animal cell, which structure, this is a plant cell, this is the cytoplasm, which membrane is covering them, which is cell wall. If we see, and the location of chloroplast, what is the location of chloroplast, where they are present? All right, we will see. Structure on the outside of plant cell. Plant cell, what is the last membrane? Last membrane on in the plant leaf cell. In a plant cell, what's the last structure? The last structure is not cell membrane. Cell membrane is the last structure of an animal cell. But if we talk about plant cell, the last structure is cell wall. So these two can be the answer. If we focus in the chloroplast, location of chloroplast, if you don't understand the question, leave it. You can understand it from these two. Structure outside the plant cell. What structures? Cell wall and cell wall. Cell membrane is the last structure of animal cell. Cell wall is the last structure of plant cell. So if we see what is the location of chloroplast, in the vacuole or in the cytoplasm. First, you tell me what's inside the vacuole. I told you above, vacuole has cell sep. This is a plant cell. This is a plant cell. Oh, I will draw it. This is a plant cell. This is vacuole. This is vacuole, which contains cell sep. Sep vacuole it is also called. And here is the chloroplast. So what's the structure outside? What's the pigment inside the plant cell? Cytoplasm. From our childhood to the 10th grade, 11th grade, 9th grade, we have understand that inside the plant cell, there is cytoplasm. So cytoplasm in the vacuole isn't the answer. So C would be the answer. It is present inside. The last structure is cell wall, and the chloroplast is present in the cytoplasm. So here we go. The second question, two types of cells, one animal, one plant, were examined under a light microscope. What does mean? One animal cell, one plant cell. Two cells, one animal, plant cell were examined under a light microscope. Which draw shows the correct combination of structures that would be observed in the cell? So they are asking which of these structures would be present inside the animal cell and which of these structures would be present inside of the animal cell. Which combination is right? If we see, if we focus on chloroplast is not present inside the animal cell, cytoplasm is present inside the cell. So if we focus on this thing, cytoplasm is present, membrane is present, nucleus is present. Is membrane present? Yes, but this cannot be the answer because chloroplast is not present inside the animal cell. So the A is not the answer. We will cut the A. We would cut that. If we see the B, cytoplasm is present, nucleus is present. So these two structures done. B could be the answer. C, membrane is present, cell wall is not present. So C could not be the answer. A could not be the answer. D, nucleus is present, but chloroplast isn't present. Chloroplast is not present in the animal cell. So D could not be the answer. If you see plant cell have chloroplast, plant cell have cell membrane. So A is the right answer. I hope so. There won't be any questions. If you want to ask, I just want to say you have to just label. You have to just correct the option which sequence is right. What structures are present in the animal cell of these, and what structures are present in the plant cell among these. If we move on, this is which structures are found in cells of all living organisms. Which structure is present in all living organisms? Which structure is present in bacteria? Which structure is present in animal cell? Which structure is present inside the plant cell? Chloroplast is present in bacteria and plant cell, not in animal cell. So two won't be the answer. These two won't be the answer. If we focus, cytoplasm and cell membrane is present in all the cell. Cytoplasm is present in bacteria cell. Cytoplasm is present in the plant cell. Cytoplasm is present in the animal cell. Cell membrane is present inside the bacteria cell, in the plant cell, in the animal cell. So what would be the answer? C. Because 1 and 3 is present inside all three cells, the bacteria, or if you say virus even. The diagram shows a single the diagram shows a single celled organism called Euglena. Euglena is the bacteria. If you have attended my video of living organisms, I told you Euglena and Paramecium are bacteria. They are unicellular. They are protoctist. So Euglena, this is a bacteria cell. If you don't know Euglena, just skip it all. Just skip the word Euglena. If you don't know, just skip it. I also skip. Just suppose I don't know. I skip it. If you can see, this has this long structure called flagella, and this structure is only present in bacteria cell. Only bacterial cell has flagella, not any other cells, not the plant cells, not the animal cells, only bacterial cell. So this would be a bacteria cell. Single of which label structure would also be found in animal cell. This is already be labeled, so we don't have to take a lot of a burden on ourselves. Large permanent vacuole only present in plant, not in animal. So large permanent vacuole, not the answer. So D wouldn't be the answer because it has large permanent vacuole in this answer. Nucleus is present, cytoplasm is present, cell membrane is present. Chloroplast is not present in the animal cell. It's only present inside the plant cell and the bacterial cell. So these three combinations would be the right answer. If we see over here, cell membrane, chloroplast, nucleus. This won't be the answer. Chloroplast isn't present in animal cell. Chloroplast, cytoplasm, nucleus. No, chloroplast isn't present in animal cell. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. This is the right answer. Cell membrane is present. Cytoplasm is present. Nucleus is present. So C is the right answer. If we focus on this question, root hair cells are found on plant cell. Root hair cells is present in plant roots. We all know in specialized cells topic we have discussed that plant roots has cells, roots have root hair cells. Which feature is present in a root hair cell but not in a sperm cell? What feature is present in a root hair cell but not in a sperm cell? Sperm cell is an animal cell. So which structure is not present in an animal cell but is present in a root cell? Animal cells don't have cytoplasm, chloroplast. Animal cells don't have cell wall. Animal cells don't have cell membrane. Animal cells don't have cytoplasm. If you focus, there can be two answers, but we cannot take two answers. Chloroplast, if you put your whole mind into this question is a really tricky one. It can be cell wall, it can be chloroplast, because they are not present in animal cell. They are not present. Chloroplast and cell wall isn't present in animal cell, but they are present in animal plant cell. But in previous MCQs, we discussed that root hair cells and stem cells does not have chloroplast because they are inside the soil. They have no contact points with the sunlight. So how without any contact to sunlight, how they can generate energy with it? So they don't have chloroplast because they have no contact with sunlight. So there are no chloroplast in root hair cells as well as sperm cell and an animal cell. Chloroplast is not present in root cells and an animal cell. But cell wall is present inside a root hair cell. I will draw a root hair cell right here. This is a root hair cell. This is nucleus. This is sap vacuole. This is cell wall. This is sap vacuole, and this is nucleus. Nucleus. This is sap vacuole. and this is cell wall. So chloroplast isn't present in the root cells because if there are chloroplasts, what they will do when there is no sunlight? So it's just thinking, a matter of thinking. In which part of cell does photosynthesis take place? Photosynthesis, we have all discussed, chloroplast is the center of the photosynthesis. Chloroplast has chlorophyll, which traps sunlight, and chloroplast does photosynthesis. So if chloroplast, then would be the answer. Nucleus, yeah, controls cell division, so this won't be the answer. So vacuole contains cell sap, storage unit. Cytoplasm contain cellular organelles. They have no contact with photosynthesis. No similarities, nothing with what you say, a photosynthesis. The diagram shows a plant cell. If this is a plant cell, what features this plant cell have? If we scroll up, we can see I draw this root hair cells just right here. And the question is here also. Which feature shows that this is a plant cell? How could we know? What are chloroplast and what cell wall? Cell wall and chloroplast are the two identities of a plant cell. But I have already said in this video twice that for chloroplast isn't present in the root hair cell. So how can we then tell that this is a plant cell? How could we even say that? If we see, it has a subvacuous cell wall. So cell wall is an identity of plant cell. This could be the answer. And a vacuole. Large permanent vacuole. This is an identity of a plant cell, that they have a large permanent centralized single vacuole. It's a nucleus. Nucleus is also present in animal cells, cytoplasm, so this won't be the answer. It has a nucleus but no chloroplast. No, this is not the identity. It has chloroplast but no vacuole. No, this cannot be the answer. So A is the answer. Easy peasy. If we move on, all right, 16. I accidentally skipped it. Which statement about cell structure is correct? So, what cell structure about statement about cell structure? An animal cell has a cell wall. Does animal cell have a cell wall? No. Does bacterial cell have a cell wall? Yes, bacterial cell has a cell wall. Animal cell have chloroplast. Do we photosynthesize? No. So we don't have chloroplast. A bacterial cell has chloroplast. Does bacterial cell have chloroplast? No, some, but it's subjectual. We cannot determine does a bacterial cell. Some bacterial cell have, some bacterial cells do not. So we consider it a no. If we move on, this is a theory section. Cells questions are pretty easy in the CI. They are not much difficult. So if we focus on this structure, cell membrane. So what is the definition of a cell membrane? Cell membrane, let's write with me. Cell membrane is partially is a partially permeable 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 membrane. It's a 2 marks question. How could we know? It's 6 marks, two for each. This is 2 marks, this is 2 marks, and this is 2 marks. The information that I have written already in this answer is for 1 mark. So what would be, we would explain what is partially permeable. It controls what substance enters enters or leaves the cell. This is a 2 marks answer. Mitochondrion, we don't care. We don't care. It's mitochondrion. It's a mitochondria still. Whatever the, it just juggle with the spellings. Mitochondria, it's just mitochondria. What's the purpose of mitochondria? It's involved in the aerobic breakdown of glucose to release energy. Aerobic breakdown of glucose, 1 marks. To produce energy, 2 marks. It is involved in the aerobic breakdown of glucose to release energy. So how is it 2 marks? Aerobic breakdown of glucose, 1 mark. To release energy, second mark. If we see on this word chloroplast, chloroplast contains chlorophyll and it is a hub for photosynthesis. We would write that it converts light energy into chemical energy. This can be the 1 mark answer. It can be general. So I refer you don't write this answer because this will only get you 1 marks. We want whole 2 marks. So you should write this rather. It is responsible to carry out the process of photosynthesis by using energy, by using carbon dioxide and water. And further you can write by yourself by using carbon dioxide and higher water to convert it in the presence of sunlight into glucose and oxygen. That's you can write by yourself. We will further move on. Now this is a really tricky question. These questions can come in your exam. These are the expected question that I made myself. So if we see this question, principal site of energy production. So where is energy produced? We talked about the MCQ that was about mitochondria. Mitochondria is the hub of energy. It is involved in the aerobic breakdown of glucose to release energy. So what is the site of energy production? Again, mitochondria. Mitochondria functions as processing, packaging, and transport center of carbohydrates and glycoproteins. This is not at your level. I created for A levels. This is not for you. You can just skip it. Otherwise, it's Golgi bodies if anyone wants to know. Controls the movement of substances in and out of cells. So what are the substances? Partially permeable membrane that controls what substances enter and what substances leave the cell. So what is it? Cell membrane. Contain hydrolactic enzymes. No, this is not for you. Otherwise, it's lactose. Controls all cellular activities. Which structure controls all cellular activities? Which structure have chromatin? Which structure have DNA? Which structure have genes? Nucleus. Nucleus tells us what you will do, how much energy will you create, how much glucose will you use, how much inner oxygen will you break. All structure, all cellular activities are controlled by single organelle, that is nucleus. If we further move on, site of protein synthesis, which is the site of protein synthesis again? Where is protein synthesized? Ribosomes. You can also say endoplasmic reticulum because ribosomes is present where? It's present on the endoplasmic reticulum, granular endoplasmic reticulum. So I prefer you write endoplasmic reticulum. You can write the full form. Site of protein synthesis, proteins. What is the purpose of ribosomes? Repeat with me. It joins amino acids. It synthesizes amino acids to produce protein. It generates protein by assembling amino acids. By using amino acids, the amino acids that we eat, the protein that we eat is digested in our intestine, and those amino acids, those proteins which have been digested and broken down into amino acids travel to our cells through blood, and those amino acids are converted by ribosomes to assemble to make protein. Consist of system of interconnected folded flattened sacs. So if we talk about this would be endoplasmic reticulum. Filled with the endoplasmic reticulum, why I said if we see this is nucleus, and this is this is like folded. If you fold like blanket like this, so it would be look like this further. So this is a folded sex like flattened, folded, interconnected system. So this is endoplasmic reticulum. Half is granular endoplasmic reticulum and half is agranular endoplasmic. Liquid filled sacs, which is the cell sap. Cell sap, which structure I called in this video cell sap? Cell vacuole. Plant centralized large vacuole. So vacuole I would say. Contain chlorophyll pigments in the grana that gives plants a green color. Which color give chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is present where? Chloroplast. Act as a medium for biochemical reactions in cells. What do you mean by this? Biochemical reactions in cells as a medium. It's talking about a liquid. What liquid is present inside the cells? What liquid? Cytoplasm. This is not for your level, but it's easy, so I did it for you. Otherwise, this 30th and question isn't for you. I created, so I know. Made from cellulose fibers. Cellulose fibers. What cellulose fibers are? Cellulose fibers. We studied that the cell wall of a bacterial cell is made of peptidoglycan. We studied that the cell wall of a virus is made of chitin. We studied that the cell membrane of every cell is made of lipids and proteins. We studied that the cell wall of plant is made of cellulose. So what is made of cellulose? Cell wall. If we move further, this would be the last question, the second last question. Decide whether the statement is true or false. This is created by me. This is not from the past papers because true and false doesn't come in your papers. Acha, the basic functional unit of all organism is the cell. The basic functional unit. What are we made from? We are made from cell. What is cell made of? Zygote. So what is the basic functional unit of life is cell. So this is true. Mitochondria are membrane bounded organelles. If you remember my second video, I discussed that the membrane has two membranes. Mitochondria has two membranes, the inner membrane, the outer membrane. So how many membranes does a mitochondria have? Two membranes. So this mitochondria, this inner membrane is bounded, are membrane bounded organelles. This membrane is bounded around another membrane. So this is also two. Mitochondria is membrane bounded, two membranes. Ribosomes carry out reactions of respiration in the cell. Ribosomes only have the function to protein synthesis. It has the only function of protein synthesis. The purpose of respiration is what? Mitochondria. So this is a purpose of mitochondria, not ribosomes. So this is false. If we further see, some animal cells have chloroplast. Some animal cells have chloroplast. No. Are we of green color? Are we of green color? No. Why? Because we don't have chlorophyll and chloroplast. So this is also false. We don't have chloroplast in any of our cells. All plant cells has a large central vacuole. This is the whole definition that I have been saying today. So this is true. All plant cells have a large centralized vacuole like the root cell. So if we move on later, Choose the correct answer. The site where genetic material of animals is found is nucleus. All genetic material, all chromatids, all DNA, all alleles, all genes are present in what? Nucleus. Which structure provides a fixed shape and support of a cell? What structure? If the cell sap provides the turgor pressure, who suffers the turgor pressure? Cell wall. Cell walls provide a shape to the leaf. Cell wall provides a shape to the stem, to the roots. So what? Cell wall provides shape, fixed shape and support to the plant cell. The main constituent of the cell wall of a plant is what cell wall of plant is made of? Constituent means made of. What is the main material cell wall is made of? Cellulose. A. The main function of the vacuole of a plant cells are storage and support, transport and storage. Transport. How a cell wall will, how a vacuole will transport? Will the cell wall will say goodbye? I am going and providing my protein to the other cell. No. So the B is not the answer. Photosynthesis. Does vacuole have chloroplast? Does vacuole have chlorophyll? No. Respiration and transport. Does a vacuole do respiration? Is it a human? No. So it's the parts, the purpose is storage, support. It provides due because of it's filled with cells. It's so much that it's exert pressure on the walls to maintain the shape. Instead of being collapsed by the cell wall, it provides the turgor pressure. The pigment present in chloroplast is what pigment is fluorescent in chloroplast? Chlorophyll. That's give the green color. So I think this would be the last question of the questions. If you have any questions, you can comment me down. But I think I have made it pretty clear that this would be the all the things. These are the all the past papers I could make myself. If you have any queries, you can email me or inbox me or do comments. Thank you guys for watching my video. I thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.